Hi everyone, my name is Kelly and I'm a Customer Success Manager here at SciNote. Today I want to show you some popular ways our users benefit from our Smart Annotations tool. For starters, let's say you've successfully completed an experiment that resulted in the creation of a new inventory item. You could hashtag that new inventory item directly on the experiment card so you can be brought up that information with just a click. Ultimately, this was a result of your task, so you could hashtag that or that new item in the results feature. You could also hashtag it in our notes section as well. Another way users like to use the hashtagging feature is when they are referencing a previously completed task. Say, for instance, I have to rerun the plate preparation because in the first one, I've made a mistake. I could have here in my notes, rerun of, and then I'm going to hashtag, find that task, type in plate preparation. I can see that it's in my notebook and that's the project I'm working with. And then I'll say, due to specific issue that occurred. Now when I click save, so I can reference back to that task that I made mistakes on. Maybe I don't want to make the mistake again and I want to view what I did first. If I click on this, it's going to directly bring me to that task that I was working on or that I hashtagged. Other ways users like to use our Smart Annotation tool is not using the hashtag feature at all. If you do the @ symbol, it tags users. So I could hashtag pipette and say check out this. And when I click save, I will go and I will end up getting a notification here that says where I was tagged. And then when I click on that task, it's going to bring me to where my name was mentioned. As you begin using SciNote, let your CSM know how the Smart Annotation feature has saved you time. Happy SciNoting!